So this is my mother electric brush cleaner, which has a problem. She gave it to me as it's not charging, but not even turning on with the battery. It's picking up something, but it's making a weird, like with the LED. Sometimes it's charged, sometimes it's nothing happened. Just like shut it down when it's like something shorted. So I bring it to our shop and I open it up and see what's going on. It will be funny, interesting. So you have 3 screws, you take it out that one, and from the head attachment area there will be a few more screws. It's not that complicated to open it up, it's very simple. If customers maybe they don't want to fix it because that one is not that expensive, but my mother really liked it, that model. She booked the other one, but said it's not the same like this. So obviously I try to fix that one for her, and we will see. So from the head it has a few screws. You just need take out. I think so it had it like 6 screws or 8, I don't remember exactly. So 1, 2, 6 screws, yes. It's not that complicated to open it up, it's very simple. So we had 3 screws, there is a 6 more screw. Just it's a little bit hard to take out, but this will be there. And just cast the stickers because that one's a little bit hard to gather. And surprise, surprise, what will we see? Do you have a good eye to spot it out now? If not, let me show with the microscope what's going on. I didn't believe it, that one. I never see that issue. And actually that one is not that old, maybe half years old, 1 years old. And my mother doesn't use it every day. So, but yeah. So it's a crack soldier. The battery, the positive side, it's fully cracked open. So that's the battery metal pin, which is going to the board, and yeah, it's just cracked, opened, and nothing hold down. So we just soldered back, put together, and I think so that was the only problem here. But like we are how we do, we test it and see and hope. So we melt together. I think so that one is holding, will hold for more longer. And yes, it's working. So we just put together and that's it. But I know it will work. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.